All right, what's up, everyone? So real quick, just where buyers and sellers want to make a quick note. In July, typically we start to see a slowdown. So what that means, if I'm a buyer and I want to get in a position where I'm going to have less competition, July is certainly the month when I'll start to see less players in the game, and it typically starts that first week of July and carries through to the middle of the third week. So what that means, if I'm looking to sell, I'm going to try to beat that July deadline, right? If it, otherwise, I want to kind of go towards the end of July or August or September. If I'm looking to buy, July is a great time to start to get really aggressive. When stuff hits the market, you have an opportunity. So just a quick note for sellers and buyers, July, and I think this year it'll be exasperated by the fact that everyone had a full year of COVID where they really kind of were caged in. And I think that ability for people now to travel freely, I think the ability for people to go out and have a good time without having masks, so on and so forth, is really gonna impact the real estate market. So end of the day, if I'm looking to sell, I'm gonna hit the market hard right away. If I'm looking to buy, I'm gonna really focus on that first week of July till the third week of July to kind of go in and pounce on an opportunity.